Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a DirectX error on Madden 25. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up a search, then go to File Explorer, then go to Documents. On Documents, you need to look for Madden NFL 25. Press on that, and then you should see user settings.dat or user settings. So you just need to right click on it and delete it. Another thing that it may cause this problem is vsync. Try to not use vsync and unlimit your FPS. And to do so, you just need to right click on your desktop, show more options and NVIDIA control panel. Of course, you can do it in game, but if you have GPU, NVIDIA GPU, you can do it right here. Then go to manage 3D settings, make sure it's global settings here, and then go to vsync and make sure vsync is off. And then if you want to look for a unlimited FPS, you can look for max frame rate and then select the FPS that your monitor holds. In my case is 244, so I can set up 244 right to 40, not to 44 right here, right? That's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like.